Hi, I'm Jake with Made In, here at Pier 66 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. One of our largest hotel installations to date at Made In. So we're here to take you through the restaurants and bars and show you a little bit behind the scenes. Let's first take a look at how all of this started. It all started at our fulfillment center in Selma, Texas. This Pier 66 order was easily one of our biggest yet, 12 restaurants launching in just a few months. So we got to work pulling everything we needed. We packed up the 5-ply stainless Clad from Italy, we had Non Stick from the US and carbon steel from Sweden. They ordered a little bit of everything, and with an order of that size, there was a lot of pressure on to get it right. Once we quadruple checked the quality of everything, we made sure it was all packed up and ready to go. We loaded up and then we headed to Fort Lauderdale. After making sure all the cookware arrived as planned,
Yeah! We got it!
and we linked up with Brett Boring and Chef Jonathan Kaiser. Brett gave us a rundown of the resort's history and shared all the designs for all the new restaurants.
Back in its heyday, it was a Sinatra hangout.
We then took a full tour of the entire billion-dollar renovation. Just absolutely incredible. We walked through each space, we talked about all the different cuisines for each concept, and we even shared kind of why Made In made sense for each of the respective kitchens.
It's being proven in like Michelin-starred restaurants. You gotta get curious about it and start going with it and then test it out. You're really familiar with it, you realize it's like commercially durable.
After making sure all of their cookware arrived safely, we headed back home, just counting down the days until the launch of Caluso and all the other concepts. When we finally returned to Fort Lauderdale, the energy was completely different. Construction was done, and our first stop was their bakery, Elate. And I'll be honest, it took some serious willpower not to try everything on the menu. Then we met up with Chef Aldo. He took us on a tour of all the soon-to-open concepts before dropping us off at Caluso. That's where we caught up again with Chef Jonathan. This time, he was cooking for service. I wanted to see how all the pans held up after a packed Valentine's Day weekend at the restaurant, making sure they performed the way they needed to and held up for their first big weekend.
We just finished up with our Valentine's weekend where we did some like serious numbers and kind of streamlined the menu a little bit. Pans kick ass. They get so hot. Yeah, the butter warmer by far is probably like the most versatile one, especially in kind of this kind of cooking.
When we started this company, we never imagined being part of a project this big. But walking the resort, seeing all the concepts in action, and just being part of something this special, it's really an honor for Made In. Now it's time to actually enjoy the food here and just enjoy seeing all of our pans in a fantastic property like this. Thanks to Pier 66. Be sure to support them, and we'll see you guys soon.